Tracy, thanks so much for joining me with my tips and tricks video today. Today I want to talk about acrylic blocks. Now Stampin' Up have the most amazing acrylic blocks. Different sizes, you can buy them in a whole pack or you can purchase each block individually. There's some really great features to the blocks. They have some really easy finger holds in the sides, so you can really hang on to it quite well and stamp down. They also have a little bit of weight to them, which also makes it a little bit easier to stamp. And they're beautiful and clear, or if you look at mine, they're not so clear, they're quite dirty. So my tip for today, because they do get dirty, is how to clean them. Now one way to clean them is to use just some dishwashing liquid in some warm soapy water and just clean them that way. Don't use any harsh abrasives on it because they will scratch your blocks. But the other way that I've found that's really easy, because I don't know about you, but I get glue and bits of gunk all over my blocks, but these new magic erasers are the best. Now this one's a bathroom one. You can get ones that don't have the bathroom part on it. So here it is here. These are so good to use. So all you do is you just pop them in a little bit of water. So I've got a water bowl here. I'm just going to take off a lot of that water. And I'm not using this bathroom part here, the yellow part. And you're just going to rub along your block. And these are great if you have marks on your walls. They get the marks off really easily. I just scrubbed a big bit of yuck off there. And for whatever reason, there's not a lot of scrubbing needed because it does really clean them really quickly and easily. That one's clean. I'm gonna move to the others. Really easy job, and then you just wipe them off with a clean cloth, or you can run them underwater and then wipe them off with a clean cloth. But if you do this every now and again, your blocks will last forever. That is so clean. Wow. So I'm going to keep going with these. I hope you've enjoyed this tip. You can get these sponges, they're called magic erasers. Here in Australia you can get them at Big W, Woolworths, all the places like that. And they're really quite economical as well. And that's today's quick tip. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you left me a comment. I'll be back tomorrow with another card video, so hopefully you can come back for that one as well. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.